Check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Saxophone house, baby. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. I gave you some trades last night live on the live stream. Let's take a look at how they're going. We nailed it again. Again, guys. Crazy saying the word again and winning a lot of times over and over again on this channel. And you can see it doesn't matter the market cycle. We find a way to circumvent. We find a way to get paid. We find a way to get busy. So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. This is a quick live stream today. Probably going to be 10, 20 minutes long. Just really, really fast. In and out. So not like you're used to. But we'll be back tonight with the regular scheduled live stream. This is an emergency kind of quick live stream. Not an emergency, but something quick. Just to show you guys what I think is going on in the market. And to bring you up to speed and what I see is happening with Bitcoin. So shout out to anyone that got into the live stream early. Let's see how many people are here on the live. How many people jumped on in on an early morning. 15 people watching. 8 likes. Can we get the like up to the watchers? Just left the CF stream to see you, Lifer. Let's do it. Shout out to Tony, man. Awesome seeing Lifer in the Crypto Face stream. Can't wait to see what you have for us this morning. LSS is next up. Going to make some big moves. Good morning, folks. I get something to look at. A bunch of things I'm going to take a look at real quick. Okay. All right. It is a Sunday morning here in the East Coast. Beautiful day to be alive. Did you say thank you today? Woke up and said thank you for my legs. Thank you for my legs. Thank you for everything I have. Thank you for my ability to trade. Thank you for my ability to break out of the job I used to have and learn how to trade. So lucky, so blessed to be here with you guys every single day. And I know it is a blessing, so I don't take it lightly. Very, very happy. Have my beautiful little professional swing mic swinging all around, and everyone uses that big other mic. You know, it makes them think but they don't know audio that well. This mic with the podcast cloud lifter is really unbelievable. You won't get better sound than the pod mic with the cloud lifter. I'm telling you right now. You can go and get the bigger one. That one's $400. This altogether costs like $350. So you're not really saving money when you get the bigger one that everyone has. You know that one everyone wears. Everyone has the. I feel like the other night I was like, I have to just buy it now. It's $400 just so I can be the official YouTube mic that everybody has to have. But this mic's even better, man. I'm telling you right now. But anyway, moving forward, I've always been about audio. I've got a rap album. I know how to work my audio. So look, when we were last night when this trade happened, I circled this down here and I said we're going to come up, and then I circled when this crosses, we're going to get out. This crossed, I got out. Okay. If you did or didn't get out, I'm not sure what's going on, but if you did, or if you're still in the trades are still completely viable. A really good thing here is, look, there's a wick right here. See this wick right here? And we're respecting 35K. Beautiful, beautiful thing. We needed to break out, and we did. We broke out of this. Look, they tried to wick the last people out. That's when we got back into the trade. We ponied out with a stop loss right there, and we rode it all the way up to the top. Beautiful trade. We did the same with BNB up. And we rode that up to the top as well. Got it at about 187, 199 area. Rode it all the way up. Okay. And Litecoin up. And I sold all my trades that I was in last night, and I took profits. So it felt good. It feels good making money every single night. And we opened the trades last night at like 8. And I closed them about like 3 in the morning. So it was like a 7-hour trade. Made $500, 7 hours. Say la vie, baby. Say la vie. Another beautiful day in crypto land. Another beautiful day being the crypto lifer. If you're one of the lifers, hope you're learning a lot. Thank you for all you do, Lifer. Truly dedicated. Joined the Patreon last week, and the room has amazing vibes, amazing learning opportunities if you want it. Shout out to Ryan McAtamany. Ryan McAtamey. McAtamey, yeah. McAtamey. Yeah, that's how we say it. Only had a little left in after taking profits. There you go, Tony. Okay, so we nailed the trade. Now, is there more to come? Well, let's take a look at the 4-hour, man. That 4 hour is really, really high, man. And I don't get into trades when the 4 hour is that high. I tell CryptoFace to take his profits and move on. Might be time to make a bit of a short. So we're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you what I see is possible happening. I mean, the short already really occurred, 35.7, and we would fall back down to about 35.2. We would bounce off 35.2. Really good sign on the 4 hour. 4 hour candle got eaten up pretty nicely. But so far, let's see. I mean, saying we'll reset or go sideways. So what I'd like to see here on the 4 hour is sideways action. So I'm going to project now. And so, yeah, that's what I see. Sideways or slow action. Also, we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. We'll get out of this triple trade mode that we've been in for a second. But, yeah, cool trade mode, barely. Helps you see all the different trades you're in. And so we played this inverted head and shoulder to the upside. Then we played this pennant to the upside. Both went out perfectly. Both broke out exactly as planned. And this is technical analysis to a T, guys. Technical analysis to a T. Now you look at the 7 minutes. 7 minutes is my go-to for where we're stretching out, what's going down. And you can see we made a bit of a rounded top here on the 7 minute. Bit of a possible M pattern. All right. So, you know me, I stay away from the M. That could possibly be an M pattern. They break to the downside. We're about to be overbought. So, I'm going to always give you a trade on Bitcoin every single day. My idea, this could be a little Bitcoin short here. Tiny little short. Maybe wait for it to pop back up here and get in. Throw the stop loss right there and ride it to the measured move. So there's a short I'm putting on for bitty Bitcoin. All right. We're thinking it will get back up to the support region. You can get in, then put your stop right there, 0.66% to gain 2%. It's a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Not the best. It's even less, actually. It's a tiny... 3-to-1, not too bad. Those smallest trade I will take, though. So that's an idea right now that Bitcoin will probably reset and go to the downside. I would take my profits right now if I were you guys. I already did. So I'm just, you do what you want. You hang on. I like to take my money in the middle. I like to get in and get out. And look, FTT has great news, and then people are selling it off. Also has a double top there. That M is not... I don't like seeing M's. I'm being honest with you guys. Not a good idea. All right. Okay, Doc booming. Booming on the 7 minute. How much did it make on the 7 minute time frame? My goodness. 18% gains. Gave it back, obviously. But still holding 13% gains in damn near, 3 hours? Not too bad for Doc. Let's see what's going on in the overall markets. And then we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and where I see it going in the next few days. This is a quick live stream, guys. I'll be in and out. See if, guys, my guy, dude makes a ton of money. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you. Good morning, Jesse B. Good morning, everyone here on the live stream. McDonald's, no Wendy's for the win. You're funny, man. CF pulled a lot off the table about a half an hour ago. I said the same thing to CryptoFace in the chat. I didn't have a little left in after taking profits. And there you go, man. He took his money. See, if you see a bunch of traders doing the same thing, might give you a sentiment of what's happening. Ethereum up 26% in the last 7 days. One of the biggest winners we've had in the last week, which is great. XFIN, this XDC, man, we talking about XFIN a lot, up 87% gains. Went over it yesterday as well. We went over it like 2 weeks ago. 84% for Comp. Comp finally getting back to its previous high. Comp was $400 back in the bull run. Comp really getting back to where it started, or where it began a big run. 44% for Elrond, up big, right? 40% for Aave, MakerDAO, Celsius, Internet Computer, finally getting some love. Siacoin, my old baby. Waves, 30%. Synthetics, $7. Uniswap, OMC Go. OMG Network, baby. 27%. Cosmos, Atom back in the game at $12. The Graph coming up 26%. So, looks like you could have made a little pretty penny. I hope you made something in the last week. We traded it very well. We made multiple trades that made us some good money. If you were in my Patreon, you were hit with so many trades, it was ridiculous. Absolute ridiculous. Like, we work so hard for our patrons here at the Crypto Lifer, my team of analysts and my group here. We are ready to support you, bring you all the way, show you what's going on. Look at this trade, EGLD, boom, to the upside. Hex, we gave you two. So many trades played out, and we give you GRT, give you right when I entered. Put a new stop loss, showing you where to put the stop, move the stop above entry to cover the fees if stopped out, initial stop. So teaching you how to trade, showing you every step of the way. Shout out to JD, one of my great analysts, doing his really, really good job on the charts. Clean charts, beautiful charts. Love it, JD, love it. And then, Bitcoin right here, break into the upside. Multiple trades. We even put Bitcoin here in a cup and handle. It broke out the cup and handle. We had that planned out too on the 7-minute chart. So just so much to see, man. And if you were in my Patreon, you got all these trades. Look at this. Like, this is in one day. I mean, this is absurd. July 3rd. This is all in one day. Give you an idea for Happy coming out. Like, I don't think you'll ever get even video updates. I give constant video updates throughout the day. They're like mini little videos just like this, and I show you what's going on with Bitcoin. So if that makes you happy, if that makes you excited, join the Patreon, man. Literally, on top of that, we do a weekly screen share every single Wednesday at 6 p.m. I also record it and present it to my peoples, okay? Weekly screen share right here if you missed it, all right? I just want to actually... So anyway, join the Patreon. Get with it. Hey, Sam, I usually like and have a good one. I will watch you later on at work. Shout out to Catus Ice. Appreciate you. Yeah, pays for itself. CHSB is a market indicator for alt season. I think we're back. Bitcoin sideways, but alt's pumping. Is the precursor for alt season? Not really. But you know what's a precursor for alt season? Is number one, a 10-cent DOC. I mean, that's pretty good. DOC coming all the way back, right? Let's look at DOC's all-time highs at 19, but let's take a look at what we see here for DOC. Look at this. On the 4-hour. Finally breaking this big support region here. Cracking out above it. That could be beautiful. Come back for a retest. I'm all in, baby. Tell me, I could ride DOC. But the only thing I don't like is the 1 hour and the 4 hour are overbought. And that's when I decide to short the market. I mean, 4 hours actually still coming up a little bit, but the 1 hour says nay. 1 hour says nee. 1 hour says, no, not going to happen. Not today. What's my biggest winner in my group of charts here? We got WPR. We Power up 21%. DOC up 16%. Axis Comp. Balancer. Let's take a look at the Binance Markets, shall we? Shall we waltz on over to Binance, see what's going on the biggest market in the world? A lot of FUD going on with Binance recently. Cayman Islands blocking them. A lot of craziness going on. I believe there's too much money. Someone will find a way to support them no matter what. But crazy. Seems like people are cracking down on Binance all around. Not the greatest not the greatest day for alts. 23% is the biggest gainer. Alice up in the game. Dexy. Uniswap up is up. Uni up. Right? Axie. Dago. DOC. Comp. TLM. Polls. Polls starting to make a bit of a move finally. Sand. All right, we talked about Sand too. We gave you a call for Sand. Let's take a look at the Sand call we made yesterday. Little call, nothing crazy, but it would have made you a beautiful 20% gain off the bounce here. I basically gave you this, said watch Sand. We're going to break to the upside. Look, shoulder, head, and shoulder. By the breakout of the inverse head and shoulder, came back down for more and pumped even more. Sand up 20% gains for Sand. Man, we gave so many calls. This is also a cup and handle. You know I trade the cup and handle many times, and I give you guys these trades over and over again. I think my trading style is a lot simpler than most. A lot of people don't understand it. They think I trade just like everybody else, but I really don't. It's a lot different. It looks like the way everybody else trades, but it's really not. But we are extremely profitable here at the Crypto Lifer group and show, and we prove it every single day. We're live every day. So we prove that we're profitable. We don't come on Wednesday and then disappear for a week and then show, oh, we did this. No. We come and show you exactly what we're doing every single day here on the live stream, and we do not, you'll never see someone as real as me on the live, man. If they are real, they're as real as me. If not, that's it. I think Crypto Face holds bar with being pretty real. I got to hold them down for that. So shout out to Crypto Face up in the live. Okay, so here, bullish divergence here. Let's take a look at LPT on Binance. Beautiful chart by my admin, Jesse Jungle. Shout out to Jesse for the beautiful chart. Thank you, Jesse. Love you, man. You're the best, man. I love everyone that loves me and that helped me out. If you help me out, I love you guys. And I'm not afraid to use the word love. Use it every single day, all the time. Every single day, all the time. Constantly. So, LPT finally at the bottom of its barrel, right? It said enough is enough. Are you done, LPT? Are you done? You know, one good thing to recognize is we did it here before. We make it through, and then the 21 will try to get to that 200 if it can or cannot. We are getting coiled up as well. You know, if I had to call it, this is also a bull pennant here. See it, Jesse? Bit of a falling wedge as well. What time frame were you on here? Let me see. What time frame you were kicking it? Kicking it on the daily. Yeah, keeping it real on the daily time frame with the swing down to swing down, swing up to swing up. Bit of bullish divergence there. I feel you. Slightly there right there as well. Yeah, daily bullish divergence, starting to make a move. Has it had enough? I don't like to catch falling knives too much. I like to see something get above the 200 or start to make a bit of a move on smaller time frames at least. But it is a falling wedge that also broke to the upside. LPT. What is LPT? I don't even know what the heck it is. Shall we find out? And again, this stream is going to be quick, guys. In and out, probably gone by 10:30. Okay. SAFEMOON taking a bit of a hit back to 300. Damn, SAFEMOON. Come on, man. Let's see, in the last 30 days, what has SAFEMOON been doing? Just been on a downtrend, really. If you look at it in general. Looking like it may never recover. Who knows? I don't know. Down, down, down. Just, it could round a bottom, though. It could be rounding a bottom. We'll see. SAFEMOON. Tough one to hold because you never know what could happen, what could or couldn't happen. Right? Bitcoin on the pump now, on the mend. Look at this, the 1 hour down, but probably going to curve back up to the upside again. This is pretty bullish right here, this rounded bottom here. So look, we'll put a call off for Bitcoin because I think we're going to see some more movement here. But it's a small call. That 4 hour is not in your favor. Just remember that. This could be just a little pump up. So Bitcoin to me is doing something like this. Let's take a look at it on the 15 minute, 7 minute. It's kind of channeling. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Looks like it'll channel, right? I'd wait for it to come back down on the 7 minute, which will take a few hours, right? And then I would make a play for Bitcoin, right? Thought I changed this back to a full screen. Pretty sure I did, but. So this is my call for Bitcoin to watch it here and then possibly scalp it. The 1 hour will give you one more push up, and then I believe the 4 hour is going to take over. Okay? So here's a possible scalp for Bitcoin. You'd wait for it to come back down here. 35K to retest 35K one last time. Once it bounces, you throw in the low beneath that wick. Something like that. You try to be perfect. You want to make your trade so you don't, you want to always use a stop loss, but you want to make a trade so you never have to use a stop loss. You see what I'm saying? That would be clutch. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Happy July 4th to all my Americans out there. Thank you for coming on in and joining the Crypto Lifer Show. Good vibes, good energy. Super appreciative to be here. I can't be upset, guys, because every single day I'm not living the life I used to live. I've been transported somewhere else, and it's due to all my awesome fans, all my subscribers, all the people that love me. And you know what? I'm living in love now, and that's it. And I'm living in I'm helping people for a living. That's my idea, man. I'm helping you learn how to make trades for a living. If you like it, come on in. Happy 4th. Thread the needle, baby. Are you early? Hope you are doing well, my brother. I never go live right now. Never go live on Saturday mornings. Never. We go live on Saturday nights at 8 p.m. Remember that. But today I just felt really good, and I was in a great mood, and I said, man, I want to go live and talk about the trades we made. I wanted to pat myself on the back for the awesome trades that we made and go public with it. You know what I'm saying? Kind of that's what it was. It was like, hey, we made some good trades, man. And we've been working this ever since here. Look, this inverted head and shoulder we got in here, we rode that up. We rode this up. Now I'm showing you another area, and I'm showing you how to trade. You keep finding an idea and fitting yourself in and making it work. And you don't jump in right when you want. You jump in when it makes sense. This is curving right now. We could come back down, but I'm watching that closely. And that's why you then go to a smaller time frame. Smaller time frames will shift first, and they'll give you an idea of what's going to occur. Then from there, you can make another decision and see what's going on. So smaller time frames help you trade bigger time frames. You need to use all the information. It's just more information. It's like if you're golfing. You see your golf, but what do? You zoom in and you look at like you see golfers walk really close to the hole. They put you look more. You give your subconscious more information to help you make a good trade. That's what you're doing. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Check BABYDOGE. The charts are nuts. BABYDOGE, baby. It hit $1 billion market cap. Are you kidding me? BABYDOGE, baby. How could we have... man. Told me to get into BABYDOGE. You guys told me to get into BABYDOGE like the day it came out. This channel never misses a beat. Like, we really don't miss a beat. I might miss it, but the channel doesn't miss it. BABYDOGE, man. BABYDOGE making a bit of a move like that. That's crazy. Most take holidays off, not the lifer. You can't take the days off, man. There's no stoppage. There's no. We push forward every single day here, okay? Every single day. BABYDOGE is nuts, but MINIDOGE is coming up. Eating dips like nothing. We'll take a look at BABYDOGE. We'll take a look at BABYHOGE, which is hilarious, right? I can't believe what I'm about to see. Ooh. And look, we put the call out right here for BABYHOGE. BABYDOGE. You took the call for BABYDOGE. Let's see. I think I did. I put TA out when I see TA. Would have sworn I put a BABYDOGE call out yesterday. We definitely went over it on the channel right here. It's the 1 minute chart. So we put the call out right here. And I said, you know, it looks like it's in a bull pennant. Make a break to the upside. BABYDOGE, man. And boy, did it ever. How many gains did you get? If you were on the channel yesterday, we went over this, talked about it. So shout out to all the lifers. Only 58% gains. Not that much from where it's at, but not bad for a regular market. Especially overnight, right? Overnight. But had you got in at the very beginning, that's where the magic happens. So let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. I mean, look at this chart. It's up 2,800% gains. I mean, this is regular in the game. How would you have played it? Look, you just make these pennants. Play the pennant. See that? Bottom of the pennant, break to the upside. Where's your measured move? Take the length of the pole. Man, we got pretty dang close to it, did we not? I would take profits on BABYDOGE at this point. But hey, you never know. I would take some profits. You can always buy back in, guys. You don't have to hold everything to the freaking end. All right? Let's take a look at BABYHOGE. THOREUM, world's first time in history. Thunder Boost technology. Your deposit grows together with your rewards. THOREUM equals SAFEMOON 2.0. THOREUM just launched 5 days. 2,600 holders in just 3 days. I wish I was one of them. You got to know about this in the first few hours. So BABYHOGE took a beat down, huh? Did a beautiful pump and dump. So you got to be up all night for these things. Up 2,000%. I found 2,000% is about, 20x is about the regular for these. They get about a 20x. That's kind of it. So you aim for like a 5 to 10, 15x, and then you get on out. Wow, this actually looks very bullish. You see that? That's a cup and handle. Could break to the upside. THOREUM. This is poo coins, guys. We're just going over poo coins. Remember, these are high risk, high reward. We don't suggest you put in your whole portfolio, you play these like just some poo coins, man. Just a couple poo coins in the game. But we go over a lot of these and they make a lot of money. So this tells me THOREUM could see some big moves. 100% gains for THOREUM. Just something to look at, man. Possible idea here. There's your contract address is right here. See, you can always grab the contract address. And look, if you join my Patreon, I made a new group. I forgot I made it. It's called the Micro Cap Poo Coin World. And this is where I post all the poo coin love. So we're going to make a link to that. And if you want to join the Micro Cap Poo Coin World in my 99 group, join that group. I figured it would be a nice place where people could just go for poo coins because I don't want to bombard people who want to trade. My group is about learning how to trade, all right? But we also want to make money. If there's money out to be made, we will find it. I'm telling you, I'm a crazy, curious, hungry guy, and that's the type of people that I bring towards me. So the people that watch this stream, the people that want to become lifers, they're progressive. They're fast-moving. They're very, very hungry people. they want to get it in and they want to get it in bad. And our group really doesn't stop. There's always, so you guys push me. When I want to stop, you guys are pushing me. So you think I have a work ethic? It's the group's work ethic, man. This group is crazy. You'll never find something like this on the internet. There's other groups out there, but they're not run the way we run it. They're not pushed the way we push it, and they don't have the vibration. They just don't. We focus on vibrational energy here. We focus on higher frequency. We focus on developing inner soul, spirit, guide. You know, it's all about the movement here. This is starting to break on out, man. Doing a bit of a retest here. Let's take a look at support and resistance for LPT. And shout out to my analyst, Jesse Jungle, for putting this on our radar. Shout out to my analyst, Hadouken. Shout out to my analyst, J to the D. And shout out to my analyst, Jose Patricio. And shout out to my expert researcher and deep diver, Renchi T. Shout out to all my awesome admins up in the spot. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the Crypto Lifer crew. I appreciate you guys. TOPDOGE did a huge pump right now. Look at that. In the last 30 minutes, TOPDOGE did something crazy. Wow. 400% in 30 minutes. How do you like making 500% in 30 minutes? You got to take a look at the 1 minute chart now to see market structure. Are we going to form a bit of a pennant? What's happening? Hikanashi candles. I want to change to Hikanashi, but I'm worried like I won't be able to trade as well. I shouldn't be worried, but like, look. Hikanashi just look better. See that? They just look better. They make more sense. You know, the problem is there's so many different ways to trade. You don't want to break this. If you have something working, don't change it. Look, double bottom broke to the upside. I play double bottom. See that? When I see a W, I get into the trade. Very simple. I would have made money on that idea. When I see M's, I get out of the trade. Very simple. Right? I get out of that idea. So it's just something to think about. All right? I'm going to delete all my work. We're going to look at Bitcoin now on the daily, on the weekly. We're going to give you my entire idea for Bitcoin. So, this is what you've been waiting for. Bitcoin. See, the Hikanashi candles just, they throw me off. I'm just not used to them. Okay, so, weekly support sitting here at 35,000, right where we're at. I mean, this is a big deal. Really big deal where we're holding weekly support right now. These two candles both decided that they were going to kind of hang out. Stop at about 34,700. So 34,007. These two candles stop there too. So honestly, that's very interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles closing on that exact area. 34,500 is the even Steven area there. It's a range. We'll give it a range. So there's my range for Bitcoin, right? Now, what I showed you before is we pulled a Fibonacci on this. And we found that the institutions brought it directly into the golden pocket between the 0.65 and the 0.618. Let me change these settings. I'll change my 0.65 to something nice and bright. So the 0.65 and the 0.618, beautiful right there. Boom. Boom. All right. Kind of want to make the 618 something more vibrant. What sticks out to me? That sticks out. Even white. I like that. I like that. All right. 618 and the 0.65. You can see we came right there. Boom. We bounced away. That's insane that we went into the golden pocket. I mean, that's where institutions want to accumulate. It's like they planned it perfectly. Also, now the weekly is extremely extended on the MACD. MACD's telling us we're done. I believe we have bottomed. I'm telling you right now, I believe we have bottomed by the weekly chart. And I started buying into Bitcoin. You saw me last week at 32, 3,000. I've been buying Bitcoin for the last, I've been telling you guys, these are the prices you have to buy Bitcoin. Have to. Like, you can't play yourself. Like, the Fear and Greed Index went to 10. I know better. I know whenever the Fear and Greed Index goes that low, I have to be getting into Bitcoin. Like, there's no questions asked. No questions asked, man. Got to jump on in. All right? I want to show you the Bitcoin buys. I want to put my money where my mouth is. I want to prove to you guys what's going on. Night Shift Deep Dive. Stanley Kubrick admits to faking the moon landing. I'm telling you right now, man. They definitely faked the moon landing. Obvious. It was obvious to me. If you don't think that, then I don't know, man. If you can't think outside the box, then you're not going to be a good trader. I'll tell you that right now. If you think like the masses, then you're going to get eaten up by institutions. You can't think like the masses. If your brain is different, it's going to give you an edge in trading. You want to be a weirdo. You don't want to be normal. If you're normal, you're going to get wrecked. You see what I'm saying? Wrecked people, normal people get wrecked. Crazy, weird, out-the-box people make money. It's the same in everything in life. Do not follow the herd. People that follow the herd are not the most wealthy. I'm being honest. People that follow the herd are not the most wealthy. They just are not. All right? Funny, this guy jumped on a Bitcoin trade. I think there's a major dip coming, yes, because the stock market will correct to the downside. They show true trends, but not a bunch of green pinks, and you might mistake for an uptrend or a downtrend via candle signals. The signals for the Hikanashi bull-bear signals are far more clean and true. I use Hikanashi candles on 3 commas and Crypto Hopper as well as my TA. It is amazing. Lifers Group is no joke. Come new or experienced, come with coins or actual utility. You will find support. Facts about the wicks. Looks like so much cleaner on the charts. Wow, that's a big candle on the 30-minute. Yo, good morning. Shout out to Tree City West. Over 100K members in the THOREUM Telegram. Sheesh. Your coins are made for pro traders. Get in, get out. Don't fall in love with them. Of course. Thanks for all your work, man. Looks like the RSI is getting high on the hourly. Very cool, man. PooCoin gains are gains. Wondering about divergences on the BTC. You're the divergence master. That's good. Just got the notification. It's dope seeing that while on the live interactive liver. I'm taking this trade proof next time you cover THOREUM. Aaron Chapman. New investor here. I appreciate your time. Definitely a lifer. Looking forward to every day. Thank you to the big fish. Shout out to you, man. Every day is like a holiday with you, brother. Accidentally 10x'd my $10. Might as well hold for 100x. There you go. Eating the dips like nothing. BABYDOGE. BABYDOGE. TOPDOGE finally taking a little bit of a dip. That might be your dip buy for TOPDOGE. I mean, a lot of times it's a little dip and then it, boom, it flies. I mean, the buys for this are pretty crazy. $30, not too much money. $31, $12, $19, $400, $30. This guy for the 1,000. The big dog. The big dog. Get ready for him to sell. Track that wallet. I'm going to have to get some PooCoin just so I can use it to track the PooCoins. Right? Then you got some tools here. PooCoin 2 might help you out. See what's going on. See the most linked charts. Right? Trending most popular websites linked to PooCoin. Most viewed is BABYFEG. BABYDOGE. MINIDOGE coming out now. Let's take a look at MINIDOGE. Everrise still pumping in the game. Gamer token. We into Gamer too. We still own Gamer. I like Gamer, man. And we're going to hold Gamer a long time. I think it's a viable coin. I think it's actually a good project. I know it's crazy. My Shiba Uno coming out. Star Wars MINIDOGE. Floki Shiba Uno and BABYFEG. Let's take a look at BABYFEG. And let's take a look at MINIDOGE. Okay. This is how you find these crappy coins. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, my friends. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Wow. This is looking pretty nice too. A lot of these have been breaking out. A lot of these have been breaking up to the upside. So let's take a look here. Squiggly wiggly. Not a lot of information. The coin's just so young, man. It's been out for like what? An hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hour coin. I mean, this is where you get coins, man, when they're this young. All right? This is where you get a coin this young. I mean, MINIDOGE, baby. BABYDOGE, now they got MINIDOGE. And all you can do is run TA the way you're supposed to and get in, get out. You got to watch them closely. I suggest you put these on your phone. Because no matter where you are, you got to watch them. 100% gains out of MINIDOGE, possibly coming. Interesting. All right. We took a look at BABYFEG token. Not doing much right now. Really hasn't even made a pump yet, though, which is interesting. So far, it's just a dump. Now, let's see on the 10-minute chart. All right, there's the dump. That looks like a pump and dump. Never really made it, but we'll see. You never know. They all start with these moves, and eventually they could boom to the upside. You never know, though. High risk, high reward for all these crap coins. Okay. So, I showed you a Fibonacci retracement down to the golden pocket, number 1. Beautiful, right? We talked about the hidden bullish divergence, and we went over it every single day. Swing up to swing up. And I tell you how I trade on this all the time. Like, I don't know about the news. I don't know about anything else is saying. I trade this. That swings to the downside. That swings to the upside. It tells me that the trend should continue to the upside. I would long Bitcoin on this. I've longed many longs 9 out of 10 times with the low stochastics here. And look, bottom, bottom, bottom. Again, I've been proving to you, I've been saying this to you guys too the whole time. I truly think I'm going to get us through this dip, man. Oversold, 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 oversold. Even that was the pandemic. Didn't even get that low. But look, that's what your best time to buy Bitcoin on at 60, 80, 87, 60, 6,600, 3,100, 3,200 in this low. Another one, 3,100 here. Another one here. And now look, we're back there. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to buy Bitcoin in the last 4 years, 5 years. And it's telling you right now, the chart's telling you the weekly's ready to rock. This is where you want to make big investments. When the weekly is low, and then you want to ride the weekly to the upside. We did this last time in November, and I rode this whole leg up. I believe we're going to get another leg up right here. Boom. And the leg is beginning. The consolidation starts right here. We could be somewhere here. We could be there. It's just going to do its thing, do its thing. And then eventually we're going to round our way on out. These big wick action here is telling me there's some buy pressure to the upside. Just like here we had buy pressure up. Not a lot of wicks to the downside. You can see that. Where's the sell pressure? Show me the sell pressure. It should be a lot stronger right now. So far, so good. But again, until Bitcoin gets above this weekly wick here, at 41,600, nobody is happy. So this is the range that Bitcoin needs to break for us to be completely comfortable. And I like Crypto Jeb, man. I've been watching him a lot lately. I know when someone's a straight shooter. I can tell when someone's spot on. Crypto Jeb is a spot on kind of dude, man. He is. I'm going to give it to you guys straight. Crypto Jeb, man. If I had to endorse anyone online, Crypto Jeb. He's getting that BitBoy love. I'm a little jealous people get the BitBoy love because I know if I got BitBoy love, my channel would go to like 50K, 100K. Like I would get that love, and it's like, damn, he gives so many people love. Just if you guys can hound him, man, I just want to get on that show, man. Do my analysis, talk a little bit, be one of the people that gets to be a part of the crypto community, and get the ball rolling, man. I truly believe it's going to happen. He's going to recognize me. I'm coming out every single day. Eventually, everyone's going to know who the Crypto Lifer is. I'll probably, once it hits 50-ish, I'm getting out. Was there a statement on that or just what we know? Dodge is 60. Warzone tournament coming soon. Gamer token. Yeah. Breakout after breakout. Aaron Chapman. I think Bitcoin bottom. Smash the likes. Apart from catching up on sleep, any plans for the bear market if we're going into one? I already talked about that yesterday in the live. You should go check out the live. We have an idea that if Bitcoin does not break 36K. So here, I'm going to show you something on the daily time frame. But right now, everything looks really good on the weekly time frame. I stay on that weekly, man. The more advanced of a trader you are, the bigger time frames you will get to. Because you have more money, you have more time, and you realize you've been in the game a lot longer. You can make a 2-year trade and be like, yeah, you can have two 2-year trades open while you have 1-year trade open, and you're taking money from a 2-year trade 2 years ago while you're waiting on another 2-year trade. It's kind of like, you're getting the money from 2 years ago. Your investing starts to take care of itself, if you feel what I'm saying. Now, the daily time frame, what we saw really, really fast here was swing down to swing down and swing up to swing up. This is very strong bullish divergence. Tells me that we should get a break to the upside and should start to make a move. So now, let's see what's going on with market structure. If you remember from yesterday, I had this idea. Are we making this? This is very, very possible. We can make our way back up, come back to test, and we can make a inverted head and shoulder here and then break to the upside. Just something I'm thinking about, right? I'm planning a projection idea. You want to be able to see things before they happen. That's when they happen, you're able to nail them. You want to materialize and actualize so you can take advantage of the situation at hand. Okay? Shout out to everyone here on the live. I got to jump on out of here, guys. It's getting late for me. Told my wife I would only stream a little bit. Positive vibes your way. We appreciate what you do. Shout out to T Holmes for the $5 super chat. Usually way more super chats by now, but I guess I got a stingy group. I get it. No, I'm just mad. I'm such a smart ass, man. That's how you piss off your subscribers. But I'm not stingy with my money. Never have been, never will be. I throw it around, man. I throw it around. So, I'm going to take my whole family to brunch today. Yeah, it's going to cost some money, but you know what? We're going to have fun. We're going to enjoy it. My wife's not going to have to cook. So, I'm also going to take my aunt out, who's 80 years old. I'm going to go get her out of her house and, So, do the right thing for people, especially the older people in your life, man. Imagine how you're going to feel one day when you're old and nobody comes to visit you, Put that in perspective. So we came back. We did the retest. I thought that was a retest of this trend line. I suggested that, there's a diagonal trend line here. We're retesting it. We could bounce off of it. So here's my deal, though. Here's my deal on the daily time frame. We don't break 36K right here. So see how we're coming up here? We did a top. We're coming up a little more momentum. We could see one more up. I'd like to see us break this line and really boom. If we can't break 36K, no good. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. So we had an idea here, right? That we have a shoulder head and a shoulder. This was the trade that we gave you. And we made this trade for you guys. And we planned it out ever since it came down. Like, we were waiting for this. We basically did this. Right? I drew this before it happened, just like I drew the one I showed you before it happened. I said, are we going to make this shoulder? Are we also going to make this beautiful ascending triangle? All right? This is the market structure that we're seeing here. Here's my idea for Bitcoin. I'm ready for both things. I have a beautiful plan for both occasions. I'm ready to rock. So, Bitcoin breaks above here, right? It's going to get rejected by the 4 hour. Eventually, the 4 hour will be overbought. You see that? We played it down here. This was the idea. We get into the trade here and ride it to the upside. That was the trade for Bitcoin. Had you got in, we gave you it. We planned this out and we talked about it and we worked it. And then the stop loss should be at break even now, or I already took profits twice. Twice on this move I took profits. Right? And so now you're overbought. Now you get ready for a short. In my opinion, back to the bottom of the trend line. I mean, right? Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour actually may want to rip. So I would play the 1 hour right now. I'd focus strictly on the 1 hour. Just because the 4 hour could squeeze a little more momentum out. It's near its end, but it could. So yeah, we're watching this channel here like we showed you at the beginning of the channel. But here's the deal. Bitcoin does not break 36K and get above this or this previous high here at 36.5. We're going to get rejected and come back down to the bottom of the trend line. Now, at that point, we're either going to bounce up and wiggle our way out, or we're going to fall out of the pattern. If we fall out of the pattern, all right, I'm going to wait for a retest back in. If we get rejected, that's when I will short us. Okay? So I got the short planned and ready if we need to do it. I know exactly how to do it, where to do it, where the stop loss is going to be. Entry, stop loss, target. Just like we nailed this trade, we can nail this trade to the downside. Same exact thing going on. It's just reverse psychology. We're going to flip it. All right? So we're ready for the short. If not, we're going to long. So we're going to probably get right here and long with the stop loss. If we get hit with the stop loss, we're going to look for the retest and then short. See what I'm saying? And right now would be a time, I believe, to just watch this 1 hour and see what's happening. Don't make I wouldn't get back in yet. I'd wait for this to come back down. Come back down and make a curve. And that's where I would enter the trade yet one more time. All right, for Bitcoin. I'd love to see us break on out. And the target for this, if we do break out, is a possibly big target. Let's show you. You could technically take the length of the pole and swing it up here. Beautiful if we can break the 42K range, man. That's what everyone wants. And honestly, we could get to 50K. We could get all the way here to 50K. 53 actually is the bigger rejection point right there. 52.5. And we could still see 25K. Now, it would be highly unlikely at that point, and we'd have a lot more road to pull. But so far, so good for Bitcoin, right? And we got the rounded bottom as well. We're starting to round the bottom out. That's a good sign. And that doesn't mean we can't come look. We could test 31 one more time. We could test the low parts of the bowl. I've seen it happen. But basically, I just gave you Bitcoin in a nutshell, man. In a nutshell. Told you when to wait for the next trade. Told you what's going on. Apart from catching up on sleep, any plans for the bear market if we're going into one? I just answered your question fully blown. And you don't know what we're going to do. Where should the short target be, bro? 35K? Appreciate the energy in the AM. Stack my chains. I'm poor. Been buying the dips. Gotta wait for a pump. Haha. Hey, that's what's going to make you rich, man. I was poor too one day. And I'm still poor in my mind. Actually, I'm always going to be wealthy. I never even consider myself. I shouldn't even use that word. Always will be wealthy. Always will be blessed. Blessed. I like blessed is wealthy, man. Control your vibrational energy and you will control where you're going in life every single time. All right, guys, I'm out of here for the day. Thank you guys for being here. This is your Bitcoin update for the day. Threw you a few altcoins and stuff like that. I'm already on a short. Shout out to Mahan Hussein. Hey, I want to see you post your charts from now on, man. I want to go head to head with you, man. Mohammed Hussein, shout out to you. Salam alaikum. I'm already in on a short. You don't want to go on a short. I mean, I guess, yeah, I would have shorted when this crossed. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, target for the short, yeah, you're right, is about 35K. You're right, yeah, 34,889 if you want to be close, but I'd get out. Yes, we have our monthly candle close tonight, for sure. For sure. Monthly candle close is on tonight. I am also shorting. Hey, good luck to you guys. I would close the short in a little while. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. 1, 2, 3, baby. Crypto is life. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everyone coming on into the live. I appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. And I'll see you guys tonight at Bitcoin's weekly candle close. This is just your update for Bitcoin. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself. Happy July 4th to all the Americans, everyone through the world. Happy day to everyone here. And I'll see you guys on the next live stream tonight at 8 p.m. for the Bitcoin weekly candle close. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. Thank you guys so much for coming here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to this channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life. I'll see you on the next live stream. Crypto is life.